honesty mean to you?
Honesty to me means that you're being truthful regardless of the situation.
Good job. What does honesty mean to you?
The truth will set you free.
What does honesty mean to you?
Man, honesty means doing the right thing, telling the truth, no matter the consequences. I like it.
What does honesty mean to you?
Honesty to me means doing the right thing even when it is most difficult, and trying to be the best you that you can be every day.
What does honesty mean to you?
Well, besides being the best policy, it is the quality of being honest. They spoke with convincing honesty about their fears. It is also a European plant with purple or white flowers and round, flat, translucent seed pods that are used for indoor flower arrangements.
We are not condoning